Hello friends, today we are going to do our word work looking at the OY and OI sound. So those letters together in this page make the OI sound. So we have words with OY and words with OI that both make the OI sound. Notice that in these words, if it's OI, the OI sound is in the middle of the word. OI, O. And notice how when it's the OY sound, that sound is at the end of the word. Oi. So we have OI coming in the middle of the word and OY at the end of the word. So that'll kind of help us figure out when to use OI and OY. So today we have the words soil, broil, moist, point, toil, oil, toy, joy, coin, and noise. A lot of these words you've probably heard before, but a few of them that might be unfamiliar would be like soil. That is a type of dirt, and it is dirt that would help plants grow the best. Usually it's filled with nutrients that plants need. You have oil. Oil is something that you would need in a car or a bus to help it run. You use gas on a daily basis, that you fill your car with gas, but cars also need oil changes to help them run. So we have broil. This is a way of cooking. You could broil something, which means you use a lot of heat on the food for a short amount of time to either make it more crispy or kind of have like a brown coating on top of more of a crunchy flavor. You have toy. We all know what a toy is, something a child could play with. We have moist, and that means something that's just a little bit wet, just a little bit. And a lot of people also use this word when they're talking about food. They might say, oh, that cake is so moist. That means it's fluffy, a little kind of like that, not quite sticky, but that spongy feeling. It's not dried out and crummy. You'd want a cake to be moist. Joy means to be happy. Point, we know that means just to point at something. Coin, we learned about these with money. We have toil, and toil is a new word that we don't use very often, and it means to work very hard. If you are toiling, that means you are working extremely hard, doing a difficult task. And then we have noise, which is just sounds, the sounds that we hear. So you are going to decide which word goes with which definition. Number one is a thing children play with. What word matches that definition? Number two, dirt that plants grow in. Number three, to work hard. Number four, a little bit wet. Number five, happiness. And number six, a sound. After that, you will complete your sentences. Many cars and buses need blank to run. Number 8 says a cook can bake, boil, and blank food. Number 9, I will blank to my house to show you where it is. Number 10, a quarter is a larger blank than a dime. So make sure you fill in the appropriate spelling word. Remember, you will only use each spelling word one time. So cross them out as you go. On this side, you will be able to do it independently. You're writing down words with the OI pattern, with OY, and then you are writing down OI, OI words. At the bottom, you are filling in the missing letter. So for example, number 11 is the word royal. It's missing an I. I will fill my I in the box, and then I will write the word on the line. When you are done, make sure you check your answers, make sure you have spelled everything correctly, put your name on it, and turn it in.